Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get hot sauce stain out of white shirt easy guide. Start by removing excess sauce with a cloth, then run cold water through the back of the stain to push it out. Apply a liquid laundry detergent or stain remover directly, let it sit for a few minutes, and gently blot. Repeat as needed before laundering as usual for best results. Avoid these common mistakes to save time and your shirt. Never rub vigorously. Blot instead to lift the sauce. Skip hot water until the stain is mostly gone, because heat can set pigments permanently. Treat stains promptly and pretreat with detergent or an enzyme cleaner for stubborn spots. If needed, repeat pretreatment before washing and check the fabric after drying to ensure the stain is gone, because heat can hide remaining discoloration. Try alternatives when standard pretreatment struggles with a stubborn hot sauce spot. For greasy or protein-rich sauces, an enzyme cleaner often breaks down residues more effectively than regular soap. A mix of white vinegar and dish soap can also help lift color and oil. Apply gently and rinse. For oily stains, sprinkle baking soda, let it absorb oils, then brush away and pretreat. Always test a small area first on delicate fabrics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.